Hi guys, welcome back. And it's been a long while, and we've come out with the latest collection. In the past, we've shown you the sale items, and we are coming out this time with amazing stuff. All US and European shipment samples there, and their current lot and their amazing stuff. So it's a new, fresh collection. आपको पुराना नहीं दिखा रहे हैं. We are showing you everything which is latest and which is authentic. So we request you to watch the video completely. And thank you for your support in the past, and do like and subscribe our channel as well. So this video is going to be really nice because there are very, very unique things in it. And like I said, we get fresh stuff and authentic stuff, and mostly all European and American shipments. So thank you. The denims, the bottoms. We're starting with the bottoms. ये देखिए. You can zoom in and see this is, there's a beautiful push button pocket and a lovely charcoal gray. And you can see the stars at the back as well. It's got leather. So very, very classy single sample piece, G star. And we'll show you the measurement as well. It's size बताइए तो 36 होगा. 36 होगा. इसमें size लिखा होगा. We'll quickly measure. This is 36, little over 36. The fit is straight. Straight fit. It's a straight fit. It's got this secret pocket here. Very nice pocket here. And it's got an intact wash care and everything. So lovely article. 36 charcoal gray single piece. You quickly order. They're all single sampling pieces. Another beautiful article here. This is, if we zoom in here, Rock Revival is the name of the brand. It's very unique, and you can see the work on it. Beautiful work, the embroidery, the color combination, the thread combination they've used, and the quality of the denim. Fantastic straight fit. Rock Revival, very, very expensive. They go up to 80 to 90 to almost a lakh of rupees if you see. And this is the worn out edition, so it's not a reject. ये यहाँ से जो फटा हुआ है, it's the worn out look all over. So it's a worn out look. पहले हमने आपको plain दिखाया था, उसमें all this was not there, this worn out look. This is completely worn out look. Size 4. It's a 34, but still we measure. It's a 38. लिखा 34 है, US shipment है, तो it's a 38. All shipment pack condition. You can see Rock Revival. Double pocket, straight fit. Straight fit. Okay, ice wash, DNG. DNG. Size mentioned is 34. 34. The fit is straight again. Straight, the bottom straight. And features it's got a nice pocket, embroidery on the pocket, and metal and leather combination at the back. So a lovely ice wash. Size is 36, I think. You measure 36. 36. Okay, a dark blue, again a straight fit. It's got this lovely tiger here, green buttons. So it looks nice. बहुत अच्छा लगता है ये. 33. 33. पीछे दिखाइए, it's got this lovely pocket and the metal and leather combination. Straight fit, size 33. 33. I think stretch में 34 को भी आ जाएगा ये. Again, relaxed fit, straight fit. Barmin Paris. It's got this lovely embroidery there, and at the back it's got this embossed in the denim. Size, I think this is again 36. 36. Single piece, straight fit. Okay guys, amazing article. ये देखिए, Givenchy Paris. Straight fit, lovely blue color. The base, we'll measure the base also. पकड़िए, ठीक से. The base is about 10. 10. Almost 10, yeah. So it's a straight fit. पीछे से दिखाइए. See, beautiful piece. You look at the work at the back on the pocket. Amazing. ये article देखिए. Look at the leather here, the patch, the metal work, the gold metal work there. then the work here, and this bubble print on the denim. So very, very classy piece. Neat, clean, fresh. All these are authentic, original. बाहर के shipments हैं. These are not copies. 17, which is size 34. 34. अंदर भी 34 लिखा है.
34.
ये देखिए. So you get intact wash care, neat and clean piece. Amazing article. So you can quickly order this. This just one piece in that color.
Single.
Okay, now this is a brand from America again. Denim Farm is the name of the brand. Beautiful leather patch there. A very Texan look, like a cowboy look. It's got, you can see, it's got a lovely leather patch. This is leather. And it's got this lovely, see-through glass they've used here. DF is the logo there. Denim Farm. So you can Google these guys. It's a very expensive brand. Very unique. Even कुछ देर पहले तक हमें भी नहीं पता था इसके बारे में. So it's a very authentic, unique brand. इसके, it cannot be, no chance of this being a copy. You can see how lovely the fit is. It's a loose fit, and the bottom is pretty big. Let's see how much it is. Again, 10. 10. So all over it is. देखते हैं इसका width जो है यहाँ पे भी 10 है. So very nice. So once again we are showing you just a single piece in Denim Farm, authentic Denim Farm, lovely logo there, and lovely denim fabric
Size.
with leather there. Size 34, we'll measure it in any case because we are single pieces at 34, 35. So you can quickly order, they are single pieces. Lovely blue color here, dark blue, indigo blue. The brand is Diesel. Okay, so Diesel, it's a boot cut. We focus, if we zoom in here, it's a boot cut, it's a flare. So the bottom, and it's stretchable, so very nice and stylish. And we can see the bottom, the flare is almost 11. Almost 11, yeah. Almost 11 at the bottom. पीछे से भी एक बार दिखा दीजिए. ये देखिए. So beautiful article. You can see the lovely work on it.
34.
34. It's stretchable. लिखा 32 and this is a 34. It's actually a 34. Fabric is stretchable. Boot cut. Single piece. You can quickly order. Now in this article,
Yes.
we've got bigger sizes and it's a straight
36.
fit. Relaxed fit. Guess jeans, a dark blue, 36. Yeah. 36 shipment pack condition. Okay, this is a big size. 38, I think, 38-40. Straight fit. And again a lovely color there, dark color.
40.
Dark blue, 40. 40 plus stretch. So the fabric is really nice. It's got
42.
three-way lycra, so lovely stretch and lovely labeling there. And again ये बाहर का shipment है ना. ये दिखाइए tag ये. Yes, it's in American dollars. You can see that. So 40, just one piece. ये देखिए. ये भी 34.
हाँ.
This is about 34. Yeah, that was 36, but straight fit, loose fit है ये. Denim cargo. G-Star.
G-Star.
Denim cargo. You can check out the pockets. Pockets look lovely. Here. ये देखिए raw. And lovely work on the denim.
34. Size.
34. Lovely work at the back. And embroidery work here on the pocket. So these are cargo denims.
Cargo denim.
And these are slim fit, है ना? ये
Slim
taper
fit.
कर रहा है. Going down, tapering down. 34 is the waist. Blue Kenzo. And it's a slim fit. So you can see it's an amazing article. Again, 34, 33, 34. Slim fit, stretchable. You can see the fabric is really nice. It's got this beautiful tiger there. And a lovely leather patch. And it's got this label and everything intact. So just one piece, size हम बता चुके हैं इसका.
Single.
स्लिम फिट। ये देखिए, दिस इज स्ट्रेट फिट,
Straight fit.
स्ट्रेट आई थिंक फ्लेयर्ड है बॉटम से। Edwin is the brand from United Kingdom. ये देखिए 11 is the bottom, slightly flared at the back. Stretch नहीं है इसमें बिल्कुल भी. It's 100% denim. Wash is really crazy, and it's a shipment pack condition. Edwin, a brand from United Kingdom. Like you can, if you search, they are in pounds. The waist is 34, length is 32. That length is the seam length. ये लगता है. ये पीछे से दिखाइए. It's beautiful. It's got these flap pockets. Lovely leather tan patch there. And we've talked about the length. The length is complete, you know, the length is complete. This is for 6 feet plus. International standard है. सीधा पकड़िए. This is 36.
36.
लिखा 34 है.
हाँ.
It's actually 36.
36.
Okay, this
Yes.
is a boot cut.
Yes. Boot
This
cut.
is a slight boot cut and a smaller size. I think this should be a 32,
30.
33, yeah, 34.
34.
34 stretchable boot cut.
Boot cut.
Boot cut. The base at the bottom, again, it looks like 10. We'll measure. 10. Yeah.
10.
10 is the bottom. Boot cut.
पीछे
पीछे से दिखाइए. There's a lovely patch. And a lovely stretchable fabric. Denim fabric. Slight stretch. So just one piece.
Yes.
And boot cut.
Yes.
DNG.
All single. DNG.
So lovely white and denim blue mixed. Light blue and dark blue denim. 34.
Oh.
It's got a lovely metal work here. Lovely buttons, authentic buttons. And wash care intact inside. Everything intact.
Say you look at.
There you see. And at the back, it's got this beautiful, with these 4 bullets there. And this lovely print. So size क्या है?
34.
34. Okay. 34. Okay, now we've got AX. These are common, I think, flared. Yeah, again flared jeans, which means boot cut. And the base is at the bottom again 11.
11.
11 is the bottom. So 11 is the bottom. Boot cut.
36.
36 लिखा है, and it is a 36.
36.
And there is stretchable. It is stretchable, and you can see the lovely work on it. And पीछे देखिए, it's got this metal work and it's got this lovely patch there. So AJ
AJ.
36, है ना? Boot cut. Okay, this is yes. So lovely wash. It's a charcoal grey, white and grey mix, and this lovely. You can see the leather, the suede. They've used actual suede here, leather, and a lovely logo there. It's a lovely. This looks really nice, outstanding when you wear it. And the fit is slim. Slim है. हम इसको measure कर देते हैं. 34 लग रहा है. 38.
38.
35, 38. पीछे से दिखाइए. It's got this lovely leather and metal work. So slim fit, base is slim. ऐसे दिखाइए. हाँ जी. Slim. Yeah. Another AX.
AX.
AX or AJ?
AJ.
Among jeans, yeah. AX, yeah. You can call them both the same. And it's blue boot cut. So no need to measure. We measured all these. These are about 10 and 11 के बीच में. Boot cut है. ये देखिए कितना fantastic, lovely label there. And intact wash care वगैरह सब आपको अंदर से मिल जाएगा. This is 34. हमने 36 measure किया था. This reads 34. Let's measure and see. 34. Yes, this is 34. So 34 boot cut. AX. You can quickly order. Just okay. This is called the Black Burst. You can see a black burst, and it's authentic, shipment pack, condition, size लिखा है 38, length 42. Let's measure and show the viewers. And this has got a beautiful, yeah, you can see the label there. You can zoom in and see this. Show them this. This is so beautiful, lovely chrome there, and the authentic button. So it's very important to show the viewers the button is authentic. The work here is so fantastic. Uh, Look at the work at the back. This is beautiful. Giorgio Armani GA.
58 waist.
Giorgio Armani. Azure. Azure denim. Stretchable. Very comfortable and straight fit.
Straight fit.
Straight. Slim straight, I would say. Completely straight nahi hai. Slim straight. 9.
Nice.
About 9, yeah. About 9. And the waist here is 19, which is 38.
58.
38 plus stretch. Straight likha hai 38. And that's the label inside. So, guys, this is a very nice piece. Fantastic. Quickly order. This is just a single piece. Isme sizes nahi hai. It's just one piece we've got from current shipment. So you can quickly order this article. It's fantastic. Okay, we move on to another beautiful product. ये हाथ हटाइए यहाँ से. This is, you can see this, the work here, the metal chrome work, and the label there. And this is in Australian dollars. You can see this is about 2,000 plus Australian dollars, almost 2,500 Australian dollars. And this is the work inside. You know, this is all authentic. You can see. So in Australian dollars, authentic piece, Givenchy,
Givenchy.
beautiful pockets. It's got lovely work inside the pockets as well. It's got normal jeans में ये होता नहीं है. It's got this lovely nylon work inside and very comfortable jeans. You can see the nylon work inside, and this looks really nice. The Givenchy logo, the new logo with this chrome finish, and the finish on the pocket looks really nice. The pockets are unique and different.
Slim fit है.
स्लिम फिट है और सिंगल पीस है. हमने आपको दिखा दिया. शिपमेंट पैक कंडीशन में है. ऑस्ट्रेलियन शिपमेंट है. और इसका जो वेस्ट है ये 34 है. सो ब्यूटीफुल पीस गाइस. यू कैन क्विकली ऑर्डर. फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट बेसिस. जस्ट वन पीस इन दिस आर्टिकल. मूव ऑन टू द अदर आर्टिकल. इसको पकड़िए. ये दिखाइए. डिफरेंट कलर, यूनिक कलर, and this is again shipment pack condition. You can see. And this wash is different, the fabric is different, and it is stretchable. Stretchable, नीचे से slightly flared, semi boot cut you can call it, and the waist is 36. पीछे से दिखाइए. It's got a lovely label at the back, a lovely colorful label.
Blazer.
So just one piece in this, and a lovely unique wash. It's got double wash, stretchable. Okay, this is another beautiful piece. These are all cherry picked
Yes.
pieces from latest shipments abroad. You can see the work on it, the stressed work. Looks so beautiful here. All this work here looks very nice, and this on the pocket looks really nice here. You can see बहुत काम हो चुका है. I mean हो रहा है इस denim पे. There's a lot of work on it. ये देखिए, you can see the writing there, and you can see this is like European Exports, EAC. Beautiful, fantastic piece. You can see the work inside, and the uniqueness of this is it's got a beautiful print on the pocket. ये देखिए, guess, ये लिखा हुआ है. Color is very nice. The work on it is really fantastic, and we'll measure it for you. I think it's 33, 34.
54.
34. Okay, we'll measure it. 34.
54.
34, 34, and slightly flared at the bottom. Bottom भी नाप लेते हैं. ये देखिए, ये bottom जो है is about 10 and a half.
10.
So boot cut and non lycra. There's no lycra in this. It's got lovely print there at the pocket at the back, and we've shown you the detailings in the front as well. It looks very nice. So just one piece. You can quickly order this. Okay, now jeans. We're showing you, these are store articles. एक दो season पुराने होते हैं. Store articles is button fly, beautiful button flies, straight fit, loose fit, and you can see here authentic wash care and everything, because these are all store articles. You can see true straight, and lovely straight fit, and a lovely cream color. So, and button flies. So we'll quickly नाप लेते हैं इसको. मोड़िए.
Size.
साइज वही तो नापना है. I think 36 है. बटन फ्लाई स्ट्रेट फिट. looks like a 36. Yes, it is a 36. जल्दी से order कर सकते हैं. Single pieces है. Store articles. Maximum.
Jara.
This must be 22, 23 का stock होगा ये. ये देखिए fantastic cargos with lovely pockets. It's got 6 pockets, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is the security seal of the showroom. This can be removed if somebody likes it, and that's the logo at the back. And these are like, it's got an inbuilt pleat there as well. So very nice cargo pants. See the base, if you see it's tapering down. ये taper है, tapered fit है, and it's a size 42, which is a 32 लिखा है, लेकिन I think it's a 34. 34.
34.
So 34 lovely trouser and one single piece. Okay, this is 44. 44 ये international size है, but we will measure it. Should be a 36. Again the same style, the pleats, the 6 pocket and tapering down. Fabric is really nice, stretchable, comfortable. Store articles, just few single pieces. 38. पीछे से दिखाइए. So lovely cotton, all season article है ये. Can be worn in summer as well as pre-winter or winter. ये देखिए fantastic joggers. These joggers, you can see the price. It's about 3,000 there. ये कटा हुआ है. And Zara है. Label, it's got pockets. Yeah, it's got pockets here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. पीछे pocket है.
No.
5. So
Five.
this is a 5 pocket cargo. And इसका जो base है, it's got this band at the base. So these are joggers. Size बताइए, इसका stretchable है and adjustable from the waist as well. So this waist can be adjusted 2 inches. If it's a 34, ये 32 को भी आ सकता है, 36 है तो 34 को आ सकता है, because 2 inches ये कम हो सकता है waist से. So this is 35. तो 34 को भी आ सकता है easily.
36 को भी आएगा.
36 को 34 दोनों को आएगा. फिर ये देखिए another fantastic product. This is 44, but if we measure this, so black joggers, these are very nice and classy because it's got this red DN WR and a lovely suede patch there on the pocket. And so these are lovely joggers with drawstring and a security seal over there. This is 34.
34.
Someone in 33 can also wear it. नीचे से ये tapered है. Cotton is the fabric. So these are very nice. You'll get a good price. These are all store articles. So ठीक है, size बता दिया आपने. Another article here in the same, but it's got a different work on the pocket. ये black पे black है. That was red on black.
पीछे भी पॉकेट है.
पीछे pockets हैं. कितने pocket हैं? 5 pocket है. So 5 pocket again joggers. This is size 34, 36 again.
34, 36.
So 34. Yeah, 34.
36 को भी जाएगी.
अच्छा ये देखिए olive green joggers. नीचे से tapered with the elastic at the bottom. तो ये है elastic नीचे. Stretchable and it's got this velcro at the bottom. So very stylish. बहुत stylish है. Zara बनाती है. So just 1 or 2 seasons old. And very fantastic product. Fabrics is really crazy. And this is a smaller size. I think 32.
32.
Again 6 pocket. और पीछे कितने pocket है?
Which
32.
4 pocket.
4 pocket. No, 6 pocket. है ना?
6 pocket.
2 at the back, 2 in front, and 2 in the side.
6 pocket.
6 pocket. 32 is the size. Single piece. Now this is a crazy fabric. This is very nice fabric. Very unique. It's got this stone wash on this fabric, cotton fabric. A very nice piece. And see the work at the bottom. It's got these buttons here. Let me just unbutton this and show you. ये देखिए, ये इसका जो है tapered at the bottom, and it's got this stylish. और taper करना चाहेंगे तो ये इसको second button पे you can make it.
54 waist.
Lovely pockets here. and it's got the security seal and a lovely wash on it. The fabric
Four
is
pocket.
outstanding. This product is made in Morocco. You can see that made in Morocco, so international hai and beautiful. Everything intact, and it's got a zip there. And size is 34 pound.
34.
34. Yes, a 34. Single piece, quickly order. Move on to the next article. This we've shown you. This is a bigger size, I think, 36.
36.
Looks like a 36. So you can quickly order. This is 38.
38.
38, yes. It's a big, lovely color. You can quickly order. It's 38. We've spoken about the product earlier, so we'll not show much about it. It's the DNWR series. You can see here. And
Six pocket.
crazy fabric.
Cargo.
And we've spoken about the size. Now this is a very nice dry fit kind of a material. This one. This is a very nice fabric. And you can see here. Create to Progress is written here. It's got lovely pockets there. And the pricing, if we see, is 3K on it. And
Size
cargo
30,
pants.
38.
Size mentioned is 38. Let's see. 36.
36.
36 is the size mentioned. So lovely. Okay, DKNY cotton
DKNY.
lowers,
Lowers.
and it's got this elastic at the bottom, elastic base. Very
Size
light
medium.
fabric. Size medium likha hai, so 32, maximum 34, right? 32, 34. Very light cotton. 32. Perfect for 32, 34. इसमें stretch है. पीछे से plain है.
Picture se
And it's
plain,
got this strap
black
here.
plain.
It's got this strap here. So just one single article, lightweight, very lightweight. तो आप order कर सकते हैं, single sampling piece. Okay, now we've got this dry fit kind of fabric, and
Columbia.
price mentioned is in dollars,
Large,
50 dollars. Large.
Large.
40 क्या मतलब है?
नहीं 32.
Mention वो I don't think it's 40. एक मिनट पीछे आइए, इसको ये 32 stretch करेंगे 34 तक
34
जाएगा, ये
तक
34 plus तक जा सकता है. It's got how many
It's
pockets?
10 pocket.
2 pocket एक है.
एक ही.
एक है. So 5 pocket article.
Columbia.
Here. There you can see the label there. Yeah. It's got these side zips. ये देखिए side zips, fantastic. And it's got 2 pockets in the front. It's got this push button. ये देखिए lovely pocket space there. And it is slim.
See.
Shipment pack condition, we've shown you measure the size. Single articles है, इसमें size set नहीं है. Quickly you can order these. This is again large. Size बताते रहिए पहले. Large, again the same
32,
thing.
34.
Side zips, beautiful pocket. Fabric is thin, all season, summer
Black.
and pre-winter.
Black.
पीछे आगे दिखाइए. And large would be suitable for 34, 36.
6.
34, 36 दोनों को आ जाएगा. And it is slim fit. Another beautiful color. All shipment pack condition में है.
32.
32 लिखा है.
Size large.
Size large. Again 34, 36. And this is also a 34, 36. ये इसलिए दोनों है because there is a lot of
ये
elasticity
Large.
on the band, on the waistband. So 2-3 inch का stretch है. You can quickly order these articles. We are showing you the bottoms. All the bottoms. This is a lovely trouser, khaki. Length इसका almost 6
34.
plus के लिए होता है because these are US shipment. Excellent fabric according to
Timberland.
international standards. Timberland is the brand. It's got a lovely sand wash on the cotton. Label is mutilated है, but fantastic piece. You can see. Fabric is nice. The length is complete है. And इसका fitting बहुत classy होगा. I think this is 36.
लिखा 34.
लिखा 34 है, but it is a 36. We are measuring for you.
Slim
Quickly
fit.
you can order them. These are cherry picked pieces from the lot. ये
34.
देखिए lovely bottle green.
Timberland. Bottle.
Bottle green, unusual color, lovely fabric. Silk. It's got this lovely, suede on the cotton, suede kind of finish. Pure summer article, looks winterish. 34. पीछे से
34.
दिखाइए. 4 pocket chinos.
Chino.
Timberland. Okay, here it's got, this is chino again. It's got drawstrings. It's got drawstrings. It's got button and this zip here, and inside it says relaxed tapered, and again a Timberland relaxed tapered. नीचे से tapered है. Fabric very nice fabric, and it's got these side pockets here, 2 side pockets,
Back.
and at the back it's got 2 pockets here with 2 buttons, and this lovely label there, this rubber label.
36.
So very nice. 30 no, it's stretchable at the waist. ये plus point है. Adjustable at the waist as well, because it's got this drawstring. ये 32 if someone wants this. 32, 34 दोनों. Okay, a balloon fit cargo from Vans. This is a brand which is very popular in America for the youngsters, for college going kids. Vans.
30.
आप अगर zoom in करें या zoom out करें, it's a balloon fit. ये देखिए, इसके thighs जो है, this is the fashion these days amongst the youngsters. 13 is the thigh, और ये जो base है, the base is about 8 I think. 8.5. 8.5. तो आप देख रहे हैं balloon fit है, यहाँ से broad और नीचे जाके taper हो रहा है. Just one piece 30 लिखा है. It's a US shipment. हम लोग इसको measure करके दिखाएंगे. ये है 32 को आएगा.
31, 30.
31, 32 के लिए comfortable है. Balloon fit single piece. Denim style chinos. It's got front pockets like denim. It's got this lovely secret pocket there. Very nice. And fabric is very thin and very nice fabric. And Columbia is the brand. These are
36 लिखा है.
all US shipments. 38. A lovely olive green, light fabric. Columbia. हाथ ठीक से रखिए. ये this is lovely here. You can see Columbia written there. And the lovely loops. So it's a excellent fabric. Very lightweight. ये on the strip all over. Label कटा होगा, mutilated. This is the latest shipment. And अंदर इसका style लिखा है active fit. It's got active
Active
fit,
fit.
so it's a lovely cotton fabric, very light fabric. 38, just single piece. Okay, now this is a different label, a very classy product. It's a cargo jogger, and this is like 6 pocket jogger.
6 pocket.
And a beautiful label there, you can see here. A beautiful rubber label. Barber International. You can see the buttons here, push buttons. It's got a lovely pocket. And a very nice authentic piece. Current exports to Europe. देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे भी pocket है. But इसका labeling वहीं पे है. Lovely olive green. नीचे से it's got this thin, elastic band at the bottom. You got a drawstring here. And medium लिखा है, slim fit लिखा है, लेकिन European shipment है, so it's important for us to measure and show you what it is. 38.
38.
No, 36.
36.
18 is 36, right?
18.
Yes, 36.
36.
36, which can be converted into a
Big size.
34 because this drawstring से आप adjust कर सकते हैं इसको. Length आपको पूरा मिलेगा, European shipment है, so length is not going to be an issue. Fabric is really classy, lightweight. We are not showing you any winter articles at the moment. ये देखिए, this is a lovely
Columbia.
color. It's a dull military green, you can call it a dull military green with a lovely danedar fabric है. It's got small little spikes in it, and it's got this lovely pocket here, side pocket. The fit looks like a straight fit because the base is quite wide, big, 9.
9.
9 है, so it's a straight fit. It's got this pocket here, side pocket, and it's got a lovely label at the back. So
that's
again, 5
36.
pocket
Hmm.
chinos. You can call it 6 pocket chinos. 6 pocket chinos. I think the size is 34 plus.
36.
Columbia is the label, and this is 34.
34.
Yeah. So there it is. Regular fit likha hai, so that's why we showed you. It is a straight fit. Okay, now we are moving on. This is a beautiful trouser. You can see. You're going to zoom in, and this lovely patch here gives a feeling like it's a cowboy kind of a trouser. And Columbia
Columbia.
PHG.
PHG.
PHG. I know what PFG is. I don't know what Performance Hiking Gear. PHG stands for Performance Hiking Gear. So these are all adventure sport articles you can see here. Columbia also comes out with PFG, which is Performance Fishing Gear. This is Performance Hiking Gear. So this is very nice hiking trousers, pants, walking
34.
on top, and it's got this lovely material here. So it's got a dull and a bright contrast. A very unique piece article you can quickly order. The current US exports के sampling है. So we're going to measure this trouser and show you
34.
34. Just one piece, quickly order this. Thank you. Move on to the next article. This is again Columbia, and it's
34.
got
34 waist.
it's got this elastic at the bottom. So these are like joggers, light fabric.
34, 36.
34, 36, yeah. Now we move on to the other article. These are lovely cream color, lightweight trousers.
38
Excellent fabric.
size.
Very nice fabric. International US standards it meets. So
Timberland.
lovely Timberland is the brand. And
Four
it's got
pocket.
this lovely pocket here.
4
Yeah.
pocket.
4 pocket?
Yes.
4 pocket, very light fabric. Just about 50 gram ka hoga ye.
38 size.
50 to 100 grams ka trouser. Size is 38. And a beautiful article you can see there. You can quickly order this. A cream color. A creamish white. A milky
Cream
white.
32 waist.
The best part is the fabric is really very nice.
4
Exceptionally nice. The design is nice. The cut is very nice.
4 pocket.
Meets international standards. And all clean and fresh pieces from current shipments. Again, jaldi se order kariye. This is 32.
2.
Okay, shipment pack condition ये दिखाइए. We'll
The
show you the sizes then that are available.
32. 32. Bottom. Lacoste. 4 pocket.
Okay, so this is shipment pack condition and complete full length European shipment. European or US, we'll see on the tag. I think it might be US. Yes, this is in dollars, 150. So US है. And ये देखिए अंदर से everything intact, wash के and everything. So there you go inside. Very nice product. We've got all sizes in this blue color. Straight fit chinos with
Chino.
slight lycra. So very unique and very beautiful product. We'll
32.
tell you all the sizes. This is a 32. इसमें सारे sizes हैं. You can quickly order. It's a complete size set. You can see the little crocodile there. And the base of this 32 is almost touching a 9, 8.5. Pack condition. So we've shown you the product. इसके बारे में हमने आपको डिटेल में दिखाया है. इसका डिजाइन और everything else. So this is a size 38.
38.
38. So 38 है. And this is a size 34.
34.
34. Another 34
34.
and a 36. So 32 to 38 है available in navy blue straight fit.
Can you
We've shown
please show
the-
the trouser again?
Okay,
Or
we'll show
just
you
the
the trouser
packet?
again. So आप इसको hold करिए. So this is the trouser. 32 to 38 available. Length इसका बहुत 6 feet plus के लिए, almost 6.5 feet के लिए जाएगा. Because you see I'm holding this against me. It's coming almost to my chest. Length इसका काफी लंबा है. And बाकी चीजें Indian size के हिसाब से बस only the length they're catering to international length. So it's pretty long. And this is the product. We have sizes 32 to 38. Yeah.
Sorry, size.
Okay, some store articles again. These are jeans. They're a little baggy from here and tapered at the bottom. And this is the security seal there. Let's see. Store articles. So this is Zara. Just 1 or 2 season old.
32, 54.
ये देखिए, this is a lovely black. ये पकड़िए. The black. You can see the price here. This is about almost 5K for this. So clean and fresh piece. Stretchable. Slim ankle fit. और पीछे दिखाइए एक बार. So size क्या है इसका बता दिया size viewers को
32
32 yeah 32 plus stretch है ना 32
33
yeah so 42 है so minus 10 है इसमें so that's a 32 so Zara you have to the best way is just minus 10 from there 32 yeah 32 okay lovely unique color. Let's see if it has stretch. Yes, it has a little bit of stretch. It's got a a rugged bottom at the it doesn't have that hemming at the bottom. That's part of the style. So this is ship and pack condition with the security seal and a lovely label there. So again a 32.
32 34 34
33.
33
Okay, now guys, this is a very unique thing. We're coming out and showing you. So we'll take some time on this particular article. You can see the cross zip here. Over here, you can see here. Now we talk about the fabric. The fabric is excellent. It's ये दानेदार वाला fabric, cotton fabric है. It's got a lovely GSM. It's got these lovely drawstrings. The label in the caption, Mridul is going to show you. It's a mind-blowing article and a label. That's the lovely little work on the side of the pocket, the heart and the A, and that's the name of the label, AMI Paris, and it's we're going to show you at the back as well. This back में दिखाइए ये this is the article here, AMI Paris there. So beautiful straight fit. Length इसका काफ़ी लंबा है. We'll measure the base. इसका size बताइए क्या है?
XL
XL है अंदर? XL mentioned है? Let's see. Double XL. Yeah, double XL US UK. So the double XL, let's see, the waist without stretch is 36. Stretch करिए थोड़ा. Stretch करिए. Yeah, we'll go up to 40. इसका जो base है हम दिखाते हैं आपको. The base for a 3840 is 9.5 and it's got this pleat in there. It's a men's article and a beautiful product, so very very exclusive and very very nice, outstanding article I would say. A lovely maroon. This is a second color, and these are very expensive articles. These are very very expensive articles.
Seems like this is a party wear, right?
I mean, this is like a very classy product. You know, you can. I mean, they go up to about almost 80,000-90,000, even a lakh for the lowers. Just the lowers. You can just zoom in. Viewers can zoom in and study about this label. बहुत ही authentic और unique है. You won't find this article everywhere. So again, 4-pocket article. And this size क्या है बताइए?
34 34 36
34 36 मतलब large है ये?
large
सामने से. Okay, these two articles available right now. We are showing you some more articles in this, 2 more colors, but unfortunately those are sold. Next time maybe we'll be able to give you these articles. These are not for sale, this particular color. If anybody is interested in this, they can inquire, and it will take a couple of days to get this particular color. अभी available जो है वही 2 color है, so please I would request you not to confuse this because this is sold. This color is sold and this color is sold. These 2 colors both are sold.
36
What is available we will show you. फिर से अगर ये future में आ सकता है in the next couple of days. So आप WhatsApp पे हमें query करके you can reserve it for yourselves if you like these 2 colors. So that's why we are showing you the colors. It's not for sale right now because they are sold. अभी जो available है फिर से दिखा देते हैं आपको. ये पकड़ लीजिए एक बार. हाँ, एक पकड़ो. Okay. These 2 articles are available right now, viewers. Fantastic piece. See, he's showing you the front and I've shown you the back as well. So these 2 articles are available for sale. We've spoken about the size, the length, the width.
shorts
Okay, viewers. Now this, as the season is changing, we are almost getting into autumn, which is a pre-winter article. So that's why this fabric, ये fabric अभी in है. Everywhere across India, ये मौसम is going to cool down. The weather is going to cool down, and that's why this French terry is coming in. ये जो सीजन है
Nonsense.
एंड ऑफ अगस्त सितंबर अक्टूबर
Size
And-
small.
until the next summer. It can be worn for the next couple of months. So that's why this fabric we are showing you. Where is this shape दिखाइए? Okay, small लिखा है. We'll just give you an idea of what it is, and then we'll just show you quickly the what sizes and colors we have.
30.
This is 30
30,
and stretchable. ये क्या लिखा है? Small.
Small.
30-32 for a small. All Saints is the label. It's got a lovely logo at the on the left pocket, beneath the left pocket. So lovely shorts.
36. Large है.
36, yeah. Okay. Medium. Lovely
34.
white and black combination.
34.
French terry is the fabric. Slightly thicker cotton. And size बता दिया?
34.
Okay. Next article. This is a medium. दिखाइए.
ये भी 34.
Color is different. It's a lovely grey
Grey.
and white combo. Size बताइए. Medium 32-34. Good for 32-34. This is a light grey.
Light grey.
Okay, this is a small. Again 32, 30, max 34. ये देखिए light blue. So we've already shown you 4 colors in this beautiful article. And this is again a small, another 32.
32.
Okay, a large in this.
36.
Large should go up to 36. We haven't measured, लेकिन हम अब measure करेंगे. 32 stretch करिए. And going up to 38.
38.
So large goes up to 38.
38.
Another large in blue. ये देखिए.
36. 38.
Lovely fabric. You can see French terry inside. Not very hot. It's not very warm. Fleece नहीं है. It can be worn 28 to 30 degrees तक जहाँ temperature है. All across India. So ये देखिए small.
Small.
A lovely
30.
grey, light grey.
33.
ये है medium पवन. Another
34.
green. Okay, then we have this is medium.
34.
Okay, then we have a large in white. Again
36.
36, 38.
36. 38.
Now we're through with All Saints. That was the European shipment we showed you. Now we've just got one piece in these beautiful shorts. These are cotton shorts, and these have this. This
Maybe
shorts have
glass.
slight stripes in between. So very nice fabric overall, and this lovely label there, Adidas, and that
Adidas.
is large.
Large.
Just one sampling piece.
34.
It's pure cotton.
36.
It's not synthetic. And lovely shorts with cross pockets, stylish pockets, 34 plus. पीछे से दिखाइए 4 pocket. Okay viewers, a beautiful article, just few pieces. ये देखिए Barbour International.
Wow.
It's got this lovely wash on the fabric is very thin. These can multi-purpose golfing, trekking, whatever. ये देखिए 36 लिखा है. Price is not mentioned, but ये European shipment है. So beautiful shorts. Barbour International luxury.
36.
AMI we showed you was super luxury. This is also a luxury product. AMI was super luxury. 19. That is 38. Okay. Here. Again shipment pack condition. And a lovely work on the pocket. Very thin
Pocket.
fabric. And push buttons. We've shown you push buttons. Here they got lovely push buttons. Easy buttons.
36. लिखा है.
36 lovely multi-purpose shorts. Size क्या है? 38 है.
38.
38.
36.
38 plus a little elastic at the back for further expansion. And we've got a lovely blue in this as well. This is the size.
36.
It's a different
pocket.
style, viewers. It's like a normal Bermuda. It's not cargo Bermuda. पहले जो दिखाया था cargo Bermuda था. पीछे से
pocket.
you know it's got the cargo kind of a look, and it's got the इसमें जो है उल्टा है. ये पीछे के पॉकेट में है इसका ब्रांडिंग. In the other shorts आगे था, है ना? And the pockets in front. And the luxury article it is, yes, 36. It's a super luxury article again. Luxury we can call it. Super luxury again. Viewers AMI था, जो I can't forget. It's such a beautiful article. That's it. Okay, viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. Actually, हमारे पास ये collection, we have a lot of collection, we have a lot of stock to show you. So we've decided to, because ये video बहुत लंबा हो जाता, so category wise हमने आपके लिए, we've just shown you this collection in very brief, which means we don't want this video to be very lengthy and you get bored. We get a lot of complaints that video बहुत लंबा था, and so that therefore what we have done is we've just shown you a couple of articles. All the bottoms we have shown you, the denims, we've shown you cargo trousers, we've shown you Bermudas, we've shown you lovely lowers and chinos. So these, all the bottoms, anything that we had which was
shorts.
new in the bottoms, we have shown you that. The shorts and everything, etc. Those 5 articles we've shown you. The shirts and the t-shirts and the other stuff, the uppers and the accessories will come out in another video very soon, maybe in a day or 2. So because this is part of all the new collection, so that's why we have segregated them into 2 different categories. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this as much as we did presenting it to you. And thank you so much, and do like and subscribe the channel. On WhatsApp, I request you to first come first basis में, क्योंकि बहुत articles ऐसे हैं जो single pieces हैं, so you can quickly send in your name, number, phone number, and with pin code, that is a request, and so that we can help you better. So thank you so